For 10 years now, GoPro have been the leader in the action cam industry with their GoPro Hero series. And 2022 was no exception. With the brand new GP2 processor, it made the GoPro Hero 10 the most powerful GoPro ever. The GoPro Hero 10 also introduced Hypersmooth 4.0, and it also introduced 5.3K 60 and 4K 120 frames per second and 23 megapixel photographs. And what can we hope for the GoPro Hero 11? Well, this isn't the 11. But hopefully in September it will be in my hands and we can take a look and see what all the leaked specs are right now. Hi folks, you're very welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't been here before, my name is Frankie Carroll. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you might take a quick second just to hit that subscribe button. Also, there's a little like button down there, you might hit that as well. And don't forget that notification button, because you get notified on all the latest videos that I have coming out. This here is the GoPro Hero 10. And what can we expect for the GoPro Hero 11? First up, we're going to look at form factor. There's a lot of rumors going around that the GoPro Hero 10 is going to have a change in color. Not necessarily the color of the actual body itself, but we're guessing that they're going to change the logo. Personally, myself, I think that the form factor is actually going to stay exactly the same as the way it was with the GoPro Hero 10. I don't think they're going to change much in regards to the GoPro Hero 11 form factor. The only thing I actually think that they will actually do is they'll probably introduce, I think right here on the bottom is going to be a 1/4-inch tripod connector port. So I think the fingers will be the same, but they'll introduce that 1/4-inch connector to hook up the tripods. Next up, we have specs. Okay, so what kind of specs can we expect from the GoPro Hero 11? So rumor has it right now that we're possibly going to be looking at 6K 30 frames per second, 5.7K at 30 frames per second, the 4K possibly looking at moving up to 240 frames per second, and then full HD. Rumors out there are saying that we could be going to 480 frames per second. I do think that GoPro are going to concentrate a lot more on slow motion with the release of the GoPro Hero 11. As we can see in the GoPro Hero 10, they upped the slow motion and offered fantastic slow motion capabilities. So I think the GoPro Hero 11, we're going to be looking at 480 frames per second on the 10K, and definitely I think we will see the 4K 120 frames per second. So next up, we have lens mods. So what's going to be in store for the GoPro Hero 11 in regards to lens mods? As we know already, the GoPro Hero 10 has the ability to put on the max lens mod. I think definitely they're going to introduce some type of micro lens. Also, I think we're going to have some type of an adapter that will allow you to either connect C-mount lenses, which is going to open up a whole new possibility for lower apertures and stuff like that. But quite possibly, I don't know, maybe GoPro themselves are looking at bringing out a series of lenses that will just adapt for cinematic views, for people that use it for shooting cinema style videos. I think definitely GoPro are going to take a look at introducing some type of cinema lenses. Whether they can be adapted, like I say, using the C-mount. A lot of the feedback I think that GoPro have been getting in regards to, we say, the latest GoPro Hero 10 is two issues. One is low light, one is the overheating, but I also think that you hear a lot about and you see people wanting to use it in a more cinematic way. So definitely I think you're going to have to take a look at introducing cinema type lenses. The other option for that is to use, next up on the list, AI technology. So in regards to AI technology, just like we have on our phones that you see now, that was introduced by Apple and some other ones like Sony with the Xperia and stuff like that. So in regards to software, it'll be AI technology. So the ability to have bokeh blurred backgrounds, you know, the ability to maybe include ND filters and stuff like that. Next up, Hypersmooth. So we saw the introduction this year with the GoPro Hero 10, or sorry, last year with the GoPro Hero 10 in September, Hypersmooth 4.0. So this year, will we be looking at Hypersmooth 5.0? I think we possibly will. So why am I talking about the GoPro Hero 11 so early on, a couple of months before its probable release date? GoPro have always released their latest series of cameras in September. So in February 2022, Nick Woodman, the GoPro CEO, said at the end of 2022, we plan to increase our hardware offerings from the two product types that we have today, the GoPro Hero and the GoPro Hero Max, to 4 distinctive products. And we expect to expand that further by the end of 2023. So, you know, already we've had the GoPro Hero. That'll be a no-brainer for coming back out again. Probably some type of Max. And also, I mean, is it the GoPro Hero Bones? Is that one of the 4 products? So exciting times ahead. Hope you're as excited as I am for September 2022. So as usual, GoPro released their products in September, early in September. So this year I think will be no different, and I think the price point they are going to keep around the same again. So I think you're looking at about $500, 500 euros, and then when you add in a subscription, if you're a member of GoPro here or GoPro subscriptions, then you probably will get it at a cheaper rate, maybe $400 to $450, 400, 450 euros, something around that. So folks, what do you think that the GoPro Hero 11 is going to bring? Are we going to get the overheating issues solved? Also, do you think that they're going to work on the low light? So leave a description or leave a comment down below. And thanks for joining me, folks. And I hope you got something out of this. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, and also hit that notification bell, and you get notified as to when the latest videos are coming out. Thanks a million, folks, and I'll see you all again very, very soon.